Okay, welcome back. So what we'll do today, we're gonna switch the start button. If you can see, it's faded. Um, I chose to buy. I chose to buy one on eBay. Um, I went with a crystal look. I didn't want to do the red or the blue. I wanted to keep the amber lights looking the same as everything. So this is gonna be quick. It's gonna be easy, and hope you enjoy this video. Here we go. So all you need is a trim tool, and basically what you're doing is you're prying it, and that's it. Once you pry it, just pull it out. The plug, this plug here, seems like an easy just squeeze, and just squeeze there. All right, but we're not done. We have to separate these little tabs from it. So here it is. It's a nice little button. See? Compared to that, we have that nice little crystal. Okay. So we're gonna use a pick tool to separate these so we can open it up. Okay. So just grab the pick tool, and we're taking this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just not too hard, just simply that, just release them from there. Okay. There. 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 One last one. You gotta keep holding it so take the pressure off. So as you can see, this is gonna stay the same. This is basically what gives you the full contact. See, this has to come out, and you have the same thing. You have a couple of, if you can see, you got 1 and 2. You have to release that. That's what's holding the button in place. I think I might need 2. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna use this lead because what you want to hold it in here, and you want to hold this one open as well. There. So now so while holding those tabs together, you push out the original button, which is like this. So now you grab the crystal, and all you basically doing it goes like this, and just fitting it where it goes. Make sure there, and there goes this. Right. Now you put this piece back together this way. This one. Oh, doing it backwards. This inside in like this, and just click it back in place. Sure all the tabs are clicked. There, and as you can see, you can hear it. Okay, so now we go back to the car. And all you do is plug this back in. Let's plug it back in. That's it. And there you go. There it goes. Now we have crystal startup button, and it goes with the whole theme. Everything is amber, the peanut butter interior, so, and it doesn't stand out as much. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll think of something else to do and I'll post it right up. Thank you for watching.